Thank you for watching. If you want to see every new mobile unboxing, review, and hidden feature before anyone else, then hit that subscribe button now. Join our family today and never miss an update on the latest smartphones. Your support means the world, and together we'll explore every mobile of 2025 and beyond. So, press subscribe and be part of this amazing journey. Hello friends. Today, we're bringing you an in-depth look at a smartphone that truly stands out in design, camera, and performance. Yes, we're talking about the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus. If you're looking for a phone that's fast, stylish, and reliable in every aspect, then this video is perfect for you. Let's start with the design. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus offers a sleek and premium feel. Its glass back gives a luxury touch, while the large AMOLED display on the front provides a cinematic experience. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or handling daily tasks, this phone looks and feels perfect in every scenario. Now let's talk about performance. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 Plus processor, making it ideal for heavy gaming, multitasking, and demanding apps. With 8GB or 12GB of RAM, you can run multiple apps simultaneously without any lag. Plus, the large storage ensures you have enough space for all your files, games, and videos. Moving on to the camera. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus really shines here. Its 108 megapixels main camera captures stunningly detailed and sharp images. Night mode and portrait mode allow you to take amazing shots even in low light. The 32 megapixels front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. Whether you're a content creator or a casual photographer, this phone handles every situation with ease. Now, let's discuss battery and charging. The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus comes with a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts throughout the day. Plus, fast charging support lets you recharge your phone quickly, meaning less waiting and more using. The software and additional features are also impressive. Running on Android 13 with XOS 13, this phone provides a smooth and user-friendly experience. Features like the fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and other smart tools make your daily usage convenient and secure. All in all, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is a complete package. From design and performance to camera and battery, this phone impresses in every way. So if you're looking for a stylish, powerful, and reliable smartphone for your next upgrade, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is a perfect choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Comment below and let us know which feature you liked the most. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, stay updated with tech and take care of yourself.